going to the lake.
Boating today.
Lake.
We're definitely lost.
A walk. They make these things good.
Where's the bridge? At the bridge. You're going in over the side. Woo! And we're off. Okay, now.
I think my grandpa's sisters live somewhere around here.
Yeah, that's good.
You Mexican, Grandpa?
My grandpa's sister.
Oh. Okay, I thought it was. Okay, I thought your
Yeah,
grandpa lived
we usually
here.
visit her at the Bridgeton Festival. Yeah, and if this is the place.
It will be dusty.
Dusty. It's like wind like a dune.
There's other people on this road, so that's a good sign that they're doing the same thing going around the construction. Otherwise, there probably wouldn't be that much traffic on this road. I think I lost GPS, but I'm pretty sure I can figure it out though. Back to internet. Light. And should have there we are, bam.
We are here. What's up, our subscribers, our friends? We're going on the lake, going to have a good time. Probably watch some tubing in a tube and some swimming. Probably lunch. So stay tuned. Gonna have a blast. Alright, fellas. All this Travis, he's taking his little ponytail off. And now he's wavy. So, we're on the boat. We're gonna take off. Here's the water. Our Levi and Ricky fam. We're gonna have a pretty good time. Yeah! Woo! It's the boating began! Woo!
Well, sorry about that, buddy. I'm on the other side of that. You alright?
When you use my phone to record, don't do this. I'm too afraid that I might lose it.
I got you, buddy.
And it's not waterproof.
I got you. You're good. I got you.
In another part used by mix up them.
Big ball of water! Yeah! Boating! Yeah! Woo!
Live, are we?
No,
Okay.
this is just for you too.
Huh?
It's for you too.
You're gonna put it on there, though. Okay.
Just gotta edit it, put it on the computer, and uploaded it.
Okay.
Do you know how long it took to get the second video uploaded?
I don't know. What do you think?
5 hours.
Wow. Well, it's good. We're doing good, though.
Yeah, the problem was it was too long. I had to get something to make it longer, and I finally got it uploaded.
But you did pretty good at it.
I can't wait to get this hair wet. Yeah, I can't ignore how beautiful it looks. My father cutting it off. No, I don't want to cut my long hair off. Too beautiful. Okay, quick question. would you guys prefer me with or without the ponytail? Oh, by the way, Rick, wasn't Michaela coming?
Hey, this camera, look up underneath there when you're under. The camera, look up in there, cat, eh? Oh yeah, pretty cool, huh? Well, I mean, it goes in shadow, but...
Didn't you see that Michaela was coming?
No.
And what was that M-word Kirk said?
Huh?
What was that M-word Kirk said?
Ember, what do you mean? Hey, Dad.
What?
You got a question.
What's that?
You got a question.
Okay. What's the question?
What was that M-word you said when you asked me if we could go boating?
What was that, what?
What was that M-word you said when you said we could go boating? If you asked me to go boating?
Was the N-word?
The M-word that you said.
M-word?
I thought you said Michaela was coming.
No, I didn't say Michaela's coming. No, I didn't say that.
Okay. If you want to know who Michaela is, ask him.
My girlfriend. She's pretty awesome.
A couple different kinds of sandwiches. You can open them up. Turkey and roast beef.
Rick, what do you got? What do you got?
Roast beef sandwich. That's what I got. And some chips.
Well, I never tried a ham sandwich before, but I did try ham. Hopefully this will taste good. Well, without the cheese. Alright, let's try this again without the cheese. This will do.
Hey, is it on?
Yeah.
Okay. This is Levi going in. Bam! Say hey, say hi, wave. Take those sandwiches up there and put them back in the cooler.
Thanks, I turned off.
Turn it off. Listen, you up here. Hey, hey, Levi, come here. Now listen, you got responsibilities. Your responsibility is you're to watch him while I'm driving. I gotta watch the road. You gotta watch him. If he falls out, you gotta say, stop, stop, stop. You understand? Make sense? Let's practice. Say stop. Let go. Don't let it get out so hard. Let it go freely. Let it go freely. Quit grabbing it.
fun chilling on this lake. So we'll see fireworks later on. Whoop, whoop.
Alright, looks like we're leaving.
Cruising.
Yeah, we're still getting a bunch of fireworks someday.
Yep, going to see fireworks later.
Yeah, we'll get to that later now. By the way, the bunny's on its back.
Hey, hello, Levi, Rick and Levi, channel fam. We're trying to find and
We are about to be on our way to see the fireworks. We're already here.
come here. Come here. Dang it, they went in. Dang it.
I don't really want to.
Hey, what's going on?
We're getting food, buddy. That's what we do.
So it's time to get fish. We have to get through this whole line.
I'm not the smartest man out there, but sure you can't fry fish in that little tent they had up there.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure we're not going to see fireworks today.
I mean, you better.
Woo! Hey, what's up? What's up, Levi America fam? We got some fish fry. My dad's doing getting some homemade ice cream, and we heading out to VIP. Woo! Oh wow, snap.
Okay, Levi, here's one for you. One right there.
Is that one for mine?
One right here.
Oh, that's mine.
Thanks, buddy.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Oh crap, do I need the old one?
So that's it for today's video, and I'm sorry you didn't get to see the fireworks. Due to the thunderstorm, they have been rescheduled. So when they come, I'll make sure I get that on video. Also, Rick isn't here, so I'm the only one that can end this video. So see you guys later. Bye.